Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zora's Law. So today is race day for race number 4. Sorry I haven't made a video in quite a while. I've been super busy, but today we are flying 173 miles. It's considered a 200-mile race for the club and combine. And I'm just gonna start cleaning the lofts while we wait on birds to arrive. And then we'll go over the race stats of all the previous races, as well as show off the birds I got back from Trapper's Loop Challenge. All right. As promised, I have my hen that returned from Trapper's Loop Challenge. A beautiful black hen here. She flew all the way out to 350 miles. He had a total of 7 races. From those races, she averaged 23rd speed and placed 31st on the final race. Her parents are the Matiz and Barcelona Dreamer. Alright, next, I actually got gifted this by Carter Mayotte, a beautiful hen. She placed 82nd in the final race. And then I do not have her pedigree yet. He is sending it in the mail. So I can't give you anything on what her background is yet. But of course, anyone who sends to One Loft races are sending to win. So I'm assuming it's going to be great. Alright, and finally, I have this cock here that is actually from Flying D, and he's already sent me the pedigree and everything for it. All of these completed Trapper's Loop Challenge. This guy, going into the final race, was 6th average speed, but placed 85th on the final race. But you can see he is very lively. It's hard to actually get his wing. He is out of a child from Little Miss Nikki. So Little Miss Nikki is his grandmother or granddam. And then on its hidden side, it is actually a great-grandchild of his foundation hen. So thank you, Paul Daniel, for this beautiful cock. Okay, so today's race didn't go as planned. I did get 2 of mine back. They actually arrived together, which was awesome, but they were at a 10:22, which was super slow since a couple guys clocked at 1400. But then I got this one back. She was lost on the second race and actually returned today with them. So that's kind of cool. But my white grizzle, that is white with just a little bit of black, it's always the next day bird. It will arrive tomorrow. I already know. All right, everyone. Thank you for rooting for me once again. I will be just showing you guys the race results from the previous races shortly. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Here's the race results from the past 3 races. So as you can see, race 1, it was 88 miles from me. And then I was not on the first page, but you can see Anand, then Greek, then Rocky Ridge. So all those guys did awesome. Firebird is down here. And then I'm all the way, I'm on the back page here. So I was number 40 with 2382, my only bird that returned. Then when we go to race 2, I was able to sneak in the top 20% with that same 2382. I sent 3 birds to that race and he was the only one to clock. I had a grizzle that returned the following day. And then race 3, I'm down here at number 45. And as you can see, it's 2543. 2543 went missing on the first race, but it actually beat my other bird back home on this race. So it came back on the second race. But then my 2382 was right here. And then they both came in together this race number 4. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully, the further the distance, my birds don't have that issue of having to break away like they're currently having. Thanks for tuning in. Stay humble and kind.